Hello friends, welcome to Statistician Hub. In this video, we will explore descriptive statistics in R. I'm Joy and let's get started. Descriptive statistics are all about summarizing and describing data to make it more understandable. Descriptive statistics come into two main flavors, that is, measures of central tendency and measures of dispersion. Measures of central tendency include arithmetic mean, median, mode, geometric mean, and harmonic mean.
On the other hand, measures of dispersion like range, variance, standard deviation, inter-quartile range. Let's focus on measures of central tendency for a moment.
Arithmetic mean is the sum of observation divided by the total number of observation. That is the formula to calculate arithmetic mean. Median is the middle value of the dataset. When the observation is odd, then n plus 1 divided by 2th observation is the median, and when the observation is even, then average of n divided by 2th and n divided by 2 plus 1th observation is the median. Mode is the value of the dataset that is repeated most number of times. Let's go to the R Studio and see how to calculate them in R. I have already entered the dataset here. To calculate mean, we use mean function. Let me show you. Mean data and run it. The mean is 33.625. Next up, we have the median. To calculate median, we use median function data and then run it. The median is 33. To calculate mode in R, we need to install one package which is Modist. For installing package, I simply write here install.packages and Modist. Since I have already installed this package in my computer, then I am just writing library Modist and run it. Now I am compute mode equal to MFP. MFP is the function to compute mode and then data. So mode is 20. These three values give us a sense of the center of our data. They tell us where most of the values lie. Let's explore geometric mean and harmonic mean. Geometric mean is used when data represents growth or exponential changes such as investment returns or population growth. It is the formula of geometric mean. Harmonic mean is employed when dealing with rates, ratio, or other situation where reciprocal of values is meaningful, particularly used in average of rates or speeds. It is the formula of harmonic mean. Let's find these means using R. To compute geometric mean and harmonic mean, we install one package, that is Psi. For installing this package, I am just writing install.packages right psych. Since I have already installed this package in my computer, so I am just writing library psych and run it. Now I use geometric mean function mean data and run it. The geometric mean is 31.1193. And for harmonic mean, I am just writing harmonic mean data
and run, then harmonic mean is 28.36273. Now let's shift our focus to measures of dispersion.
Let's start with the range, which tells the difference between largest values and the smallest value of the dataset. These are the formula to calculate range. Next, we have sample variance and sample standard deviation, which offer insights into data variability. These are the formula to calculate sample variance and sample standard deviation. Next, we have inter-quartile range. The first quartile is the value of the variable x up to which 25% of the values lie. For an example, in case of the value of x 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11 and 15, there are 8 observations. 25% of 8 is 2, so the second value of the dataset is 4, which is the first quartile. And for the third quartile, the value of the variable x up to which 75% of the value lie. For an example, the variable x has 8 values and the 75% of 8 is 6. So the sixth observation of the dataset is 9, which is the third quartile. And the interquartile range is the difference between third and first quartile. From the above example, the interquartile range is 5. Let's calculate this in R. To calculate range, I am just writing formula. Range equal to maximum of data minus minimum of data, and run it. Range is 43. For variance, I am just writing formula VAR, then data. The variance is 159.85. For standard deviation, just writing ST in data, and the standard deviation is 12.64318. For first quartile, I am writing quantile data and 0.25. The first quartile is 23.75. And for third quartile, I am writing quantile data 0.75, and the third quartile is 42.75. And for interquartile range, I am writing IQR data, and the interquartile is 19. Today we have covered measures of central tendency and measures of dispersion and how to calculate them in R. These statistics are very useful in understanding data.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to Statistician Hub for more statistical insights. Thanks for joining us today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.